Performing a simple sign-in with MyDigiBrain. In this video, we'll demonstrate the process of performing a simple sign-in with MyDigiBrain, where we will enter email address and password credentials. In order to sign into MyDigiBrain, you must have already created your user account, and you must know the email address and password that you set for your user account. The process of signing in is performed in two simple steps. 1. Navigate to the sign-in page. And 2. Fill out the sign-in form, entering email and password credentials. Remember that MyDigiBrain will operate on any device with a standard browser, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Apple Safari, and Firefox, among others. We'll first demonstrate the process of performing a simple sign-in on a large screen computer using the Google Chrome browser. Then, we'll perform the same demonstration on an Apple iPhone using the Apple Safari browser. Feel free to use your preferred device and browser. Let's begin by using a Google Chrome browser running on a large screen computer. Our first step will be to navigate to the MyDigiBrain sign-in page, which you can only get to if you are not currently logged into MyDigiBrain. There are three fundamental ways to get to the sign-in page. 1. If you are at the MyDigiBrain About page, you can click on the Sign In button near the top of the main body of the page. 2. You can click on the Sign In button in the application header area at the top and near the right side of the page. Note, if you reduce the width of the browser page to a very narrow width, the Sign In button disappears. In this case, Sign In can be found in the drop-down menu at the far right of the application header area. 3. You can manually enter mydigibrain.com/signin in the browser address bar and then press the Enter key. Once at the sign-in page, we'll enter the required information on the form, which includes the email address and password for the account. With certain browsers, the credentials may be filled in automatically. In our case, the credentials have not been filled in automatically. Enter the email address used to create your account. Next, enter the password that you have set for your user account. Then, press the Sign In button. MyDigiBrain will take you to your home screen where you will see your private channel and any other channels you may have created. Plus, you'll see any other channels that have been shared with you by other users and for which you accepted sharing requests. And that's it. You have performed a simple sign-in with MyDigiBrain. Now, let's look at the same simple sign-in process on an Apple iPhone. All of the steps are identical to what you have just seen on a large screen computer. However, you will see that the views are adjusted and responsive to the size of the iPhone screen. The sign-in form is to be filled in. Followed by clicking on the Sign In button. And MyDigiBrain will take you to your home screen where you will see the channels associated with your user account. You have now seen how to perform a simple sign-in on a large screen computer and on an iPhone smartphone. If you would like to view more educational videos to assist you in understanding and using MyDigiBrain, click on the View Educational Videos button that you'll find at the top right of every page in MyDigiBrain.